Hi guys, my name is Chandan Singh. So guys, it's 29th November 2020. The time is around 9:30 and I am here at Kashmiri Gate metro station, gate number 5. I am waiting for the bus which I have booked in order to go to Haridwar. So the pickup point is Kashmiri Gate, gate number 5. The bus will arrive here around 10:30 and it will departure from here around 10:55. So I have to board the bus and then I along with my father have to go to Haridwar. You know the purpose why we are going to Haridwar. The thing is that my father is not keeping well. He has some issues in his large intestine. So he believes in Ayurvedic treatment. So in order to get the treatment done, we are going to Haridwar. That is Patanjali Yog Peeth. So after reaching there, I will show you the ambience, the environment, and I will try to make the video related to the procedure to get the treatment in Patanjali Yog Peeth. So stay connected guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
हरिद्वार है ना। आइए, सीट नंबर कौन बताएगा? अच्छा सर, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, पतंजलि योग पीठ पे उतरना है, पतंजलि योग पीठ के पास उतरना है, तो उधर से गुजरेंगे ना, प्लीज आप बता देना भैया उतरना। क्या नाम है? ढूंढ रहा हूँ। हाँ तेरे चो यही है। हाँ यही है।
So guys, we have boarded the bus. It has departed around 11 o'clock. Now we are on the way to Haridwar. Actually, I have to go to Patanjali Yog Peeth, but this bus is going to Hari Ki Pauri, Haridwar. So I said to the driver to stop the bus nearby Patanjali Yog Peeth so that I can deboard the bus. He said that okay, I'll let you know. Let's see guys. So I'm enjoying the journey.
So guys, the bus has stopped near a dhaba. This is Shiva Dhaba. So there is 20 to 25 minutes break. So if any passenger is hungry or wants to go to toilet, can go, can have food, can pass some time here. As you can see that I am at dhaba right now. After that, again the journey will be resumed. So as far as the ambience of the bus is concerned, it is not up to the mark. You can see the bus behind me. This is the bus. This is Zing bus, but the inside condition is not as good as I had expected. I thought that once I entered it would be like a heaven. Nothing was like this. It is just like a common bus. Heater is available. There are 2 CCTV cameras available inside. So the experience was not so awesome. And the speed of the bus is also normal. Not very fast. Anyways, whatever I have experienced, I am just telling you guys. So I'm at the dhaba. I'm going to see what's available here. You can see. It's 12 o'clock right now and it's quite cold here. Quite cold. I can't say so freezing cold, but yeah, it's cold here. And so I have ordered one thali, 160 rupees thali. So I don't know how many things contains there. I just saw thali. I did not read all the stuff. I thought okay, thali means a lot of things would be there. So I have ordered that, and I have ordered 2 cooler tea, cooler wali chai. Okay, so I am waiting for my thali and tea. Sleeps. You can see here, guys. My dad. Ooh. Really, I'm feeling quite cold. Thank you भैया.
आपका सर एक रोटी और.
ठीक. लीजिए. So guys, this is cooler wali chai, and here my thali is. So what my thali contains, I'm telling you. You can see little rice here. This is dal, vegetables and naan and some salad. I mean, this is onion and radish. So let's have cooler wali chai, guys. So as far as the taste of the cooler wali chai is concerned, here at Lion Hotel, this roadside dhaba, it's so sweet. It means too much sugar is there, little ginger taste is there. It's not up to the mark. I'm telling you my experience of cooler wali chai at Patna. That was mind blowing, amazing.
सॉरी सर, लच्छा अवेलेबल नहीं था अभी. लच्छा की जगह 2 पराठा और दे दिए, 2 रोटी. एक लच्छा की जगह 2 रोटी दे दिए.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. So compared to Patna cooler wali chai, this is nothing. No impression. So, tea as well as food. I don't have much time, so I'm trying to finish my food as well. Food is tasty, guys. Food is tasty. Hi guys, very good morning. This is 4:41 in the morning and we have reached Patanjali Yog Peeth 1, Haridwar. You can see behind me the Patanjali Yog Peeth. I am shooting through the front camera, so it must be looking opposite. This is Patanjali Yog Peeth, Haridwar. I am just shivering, guys. So much cold. Oof. So, we are at the gate of Patanjali Yog Peeth. Doctor comes around 10 o'clock, 10 to 4. 9 o'clock the office opens. So you can understand how much we have to wait here. My dad is here standing. Ooh. So I'm trying to talk to the security personnel. See, my hand is shaking. Guys, I talked to the security personnel and he said that go inside and sit in the waiting room. The doctor will come around 9, but you know, after doing all the form fill up and all the things, it will be 10 o'clock, guys. So we have to go and sit in the waiting room and start waiting. Oh, my hands are just shivering. Hi guys, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm here at the waiting room area. It's a waiting area, you can't say waiting room. You can see this entire hall. It's a waiting area, guys. Here people sit, they start waiting for their turns. But after coming here, what is the procedure? That I want to tell you guys. Here there are two counters, OPD 1 and OPD 2. First of all, let me show you that once you enter here, you can see Swami Ramdev Ji statue there. Can you see? I can show you through the back camera, guys. So you can see this statue, guys. See, amazing. It seems as if really Swami Ramdev Ji is sitting. See, due to quite early in the morning, all the lights are not turned on. However, I am shooting because some lights are available near Swami Ramdev Ji statue. So you can see. So this is the waiting area. Now I am going to show you guys OPD number 1. When you come here, see, first of all, see the entire hall. You can see the entire area, guys, waiting area. It's quite dark here. I think I should shoot when lights are on. Anyways, I'm going to show you the OPD number 1. My dad is sitting here doing yoga, sitting on the chair. He is doing Kapalbhati. So, yeah, I was talking about this. See this counter. This is OPD 1 counter, as you can see. OPD 1, Patients Registration Counter, Patanjali Ayurveda Hospital. So here what happens, when you come here, guys, the rule is to fill up a form. You know, you can see here, you have to fill up a form and write your all the information. You can read it in Hindi as well. Write all the information. And one more thing, can you read this? कृपया रोगी अपने पंजीकरण पेपर को ना मोड़े, उसे सीधा ही रखे. So you are not supposed to fold the registration paper, the form. So forms will be available. You have to fill up the form. Then you have to stand in your queue to go to your doctor's cabin.
So this is OPD 1, and there is OPD number 2 counter also. And here what I have read, that the timing, if you talk about the timing, you can read here OPD 1 10 AM to 4 PM, यानी कि सुबह 10 बजे से शाम को 4 बजे तक, और OPD 2 9 AM to 5 PM, यानी कि 9 से 5। तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मतलब अगर 9 से 5 जाना है तो क्या OPD 2 में जाना है, फिर वहाँ फॉर्म भरना है। एनीवेज क्लियर हो जाएगा, लिखा तो कुछ ऐसा ही है। सो दिस इज OPD 1। Now if I come this side, here you can see guys, see services provided at Patanjali Ayurveda Hospital. So whatever the services are provided, those things are mentioned here, like Panchkarm, you can read, सारी चीज़ें आप पढ़ लीजिए। देख लीजिए। Clinical services, other services, and some instructions, बिखरे हुए द्रव का तुरंत प्रबंध करें, whatever. Fine guys, here there is complaint and suggestion box also. You can write any complaint, or if you have any suggestion you can write and put it into this box. Here you can drop it. So there are so many chairs for the patients or whoever is coming with the patients can sit here. And their OPD number 2 is there guys, I'm going to show you. Here there is a staircase, I mean stairs to go to first floor, second floor. Okay, OPD number 2. See, so here it is written that चिकित्सा परामर्श 18 to 34, यानी कि OPD 18 से 34 इधर है, तो फिर 1 से 17 OPD 1 में है। ये है फ़र्क, OPD 2 में 18 से 34 है और OPD 1 में 1 से 17 है गाइस। लेट मी सी कि फिर ये सारे रूम्स किधर है, जहाँ डॉक्टर्स बैठते हैं वो रूम्स किधर है। So this is OPD 1 and here the rooms are, yes, room number 17. Here your number will be flashed here. See room number 16, 15, it means 1 to 17 rooms are here and doctors will sit there. Okay, see this area guys. See this area. That's room number 1. Okay, so this is OPD 1 to 17 rooms. And Shalak Tantra. Okay. Fine. Now let me check 18 to 34, OPD number 2. And here, as you can see, that for administrative block, go upstairs, second floor, ECG, PFT, ultrasound, upstairs, library, reading room, upstairs, first floor. So in OPD number 2, see, 18 to 34 rooms are available where the doctors will sit. See, you can see the chairs. All the patients will be waiting here for their turn. Okay, fine. Got it, guys?
So guys, as you can see that after entering the main gate, let me show you how big it is. Once you enter here, you have to walk towards the main gate of the hospital. Okay, that was the entrance, and from here you can see I am few meters away from the entrance, and here you can see, here you have to enter, guys, for OPD. Okay, so this is the main building where there are 2 OPDs, I have already told you. And here on my right hand side you can see it's Patanjali Mega Store. Patanjali Mega Store. It means all the products are available here. See, it is written Patanjali Mega Store. Let me zoom in. Patanjali Mega Store. It's fountain. There is sitting arrangement. Lot of flowers, trees. See, guys. See how big the campus is. And that's the main entrance. If you come by bus will drop you there, deboard the bus, enter that gate, then you will reach here. And you have to go straight there, guys. Now I can show you. What should I show you? Okay. Here something is written. Information about Patanjali Yoga Peeth. You can read it after pausing it. Now, here if you see, here there is a statue, guys. Statue of Patanjali, Rishi Patanjali. No, this is Maharishi Sushruta. Here it is written Maharishi Sushruta. So this is Maharishi Sushruta. Such a huge statue. And this side, here also there is one more statue. Let me show you. Wow, such a beautiful tree. Look at this. Amazing. This is Maharishi Charak. You can see it is written here. Maharishi Charak, author of the Charak Samhita. He had written a book, Charak Samhita. See. Awesome.
and you can see this building. Om is written on the top. So here it is written Patanjali Ayurveda Hospital. Fine guys, if you are hungry and you want to eat some biscuits or some snacks, so for snacks and biscuits you can use this machine. You have to insert a straight note here, somewhere here, and then choose whichever section you want. As you can see that 307, 306. So if you press 307, then that biscuit will come out. If you go up, you can see 108, 106, and the rate of the biscuits are also mentioned. So you have to insert 10 rupees note and press which number you want, 106 or 104. Here if you talk about some snacks, so here the numbers are 407, 406, and namkeen, some snacks are available guys. So I'm going to try, and instructions are written here like use fresh currency, straight currency before inserting. So let's take a look how to do that. Check price of your selection, insert currency, display will show value entered, press selection keys, remove product from delivery area, remove change from coin return. Okay, so where to insert? I think is this the place to insert? Let me try. I'm going to insert. I have this 10 rupees note, straight note. I'm just going to try. घुस जा भाई. ये नहीं चल रही? Okay. So guys, one person came and said that this machine is out of order. So there is one more machine outside that works. So I will try it later on. So guys, it's 7:30 right now in the morning, and I am here at this waiting area. So now I'm going to show you some other sections. So here, from this waiting area, you can see there is a gate, and this gate leads you to, let me read here where it will lead you to. See, this is for Annapurna. It means cafeteria is there, and Yagshala, Yog class, Yog Kaksha is there. So let's go. And here you can see washroom. So washroom, either side you can see washroom. So let's enter this gate and see guys, explore everything. First see from here. Huge and beautiful. And from here you can see this is the waiting area from where we have come this side. We have entered this gate. You can see. So now let's go. So from here you can go towards two gates. One gate is here and another is this side. So I think Annapurna is this side. Okay. No, Annapurna is this side. Bhojanalaya, cafeteria, whatever you call it, it is this side. See guys, sun has risen. Look at the sun. 7:30 in the morning. Wow. Here you can see Annapurna. So I'm entering. Now I have entered here. After entering, you can see a lot of chairs. Bhojan Vyavastha Pratham Tal. So we have to go to Pratham Tal guys. Here there is nothing. It means it has been shifted to first floor. See, I think earlier the arrangement was here, but now you can see it has been shifted to first floor. Let's go to first floor. So I'm going to first floor. We are making a noise. Here we come. So this is Annapurna. You can see here Annapurna Ahar E Bahar. So here the rate list is mentioned. You can see breakfast is 30 rupees, 30 rupees, 30 rupees. Lunch thali 80 rupees, special thali 115 rupees. Patient food 45 rupees, 30 rupees. I mean khichdi is 30 rupees. Combo meals. South Indian food is also available. 50, 30, 40. Fine. So it's quite early in the morning, so food is not available as it was mentioned that after 8 o'clock. So this is the cafeteria. You can see first floor cafeteria. Nagat Bhugtan, cash counter. You are under CCTV surveillance. Fabulous, looking fantastic. Great cafeteria. Look at the sitting arrangement here. So guys, as you can see, this is Yagshala. As it is written Yagshala, it means Yag is done here. So let me show you guys. Yag. First I thought it would be Yogshala, but it's not Yogshala, it's Yagshala. Yagshala means Puja, Havan is performed here, as you can see there. Okay, that is for fire, and all the people will sit around it and Yag will be started. This is Yagshala. Nice. Look at. Yagshala. You can see some banana plants also. See, small bananas. Wow, beautiful. Hey, that's a college, guys. Patanjali Ayurved Mahavidyalaya. Wow. So in this campus, as you saw, there are a lot of departments. There is college too. See guys, Patanjali Ayurved Mahavidyalaya. Great. Look at this. Beautiful.
ऐसे पीछे देखो, पीछे कब उधर उधर उस साइड, कमर को पूरा घुमाओ, इतना नीचे नहीं गिरने देना। बहुत अच्छा। फिर इसका उल्टा करो, वापस ये पैर फैलाइए, इस पैर को मोड़िए, इस वाले हाथ से इसको पकड़िए, फिर इस साइड देखिए।